In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Tag Manager into your website. This process will streamline how you manage and deploy marketing tags, making it easier and more efficient to track user interactions and gather data that's crucial for enhancing your digital strategies. To kick things off, head over to the Google Tag Manager website. If you haven't already signed up for an account, you'll need to create one. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process and Google provides clear prompts to guide you through it. Once your account is set up, the next step is to create a container. Now the container is essentially a workspace within the tag manager where you'll add your tags. For this tutorial, since we're focusing on integrating GTM with a website, you'll want to set your container type to web. This ensures that all functionalities and tags we apply will be designed effectively for web use. After you've configured your container, Google Tag Manager will generate two unique code snippets for you. These snippets are crucial as they'll connect your website to the tag manager. The first snippet needs to be placed in the section of your website's HTML. It's best to position it right after the opening what tag to ensure it loads as soon as possible, minimizing the risk of any delays in tag execution. With the first snippet in place, it's time to tackle the second one, which goes inside the section. This snippet should be pasted immediately after the opening of our tag on your HTML code. The reason behind this order is to ensure that Google Tag Manager can initialize early, which allows other tags to be fired as soon as your page begins to load. Now take a moment to save the changes to your website's HTML files. This step is extremely important. Without saving these changes, the integration won't be effective. Once you've saved your modifications, head back to Google Tag Manager and publish your changes. By doing this, you make the tags live and they begin to monitor and collect data from your website as you've configured. And there you have it. Embedding Google Tag Manager into your website isn't as complex as it might initially seem. With these steps, you'll be able to manage your tags more effectively, helping you gather insightful analytics to steer your web strategies. Remember, always double check your code placement in the HTML to prevent any issues from arising. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.